How's the question for this one?
Um,
How?
how many are? No. How many are? No. Salah. Sorry, Miss. How many? How many glass of juice are there?
Yes, very good. So, how many glasses of juice are there, Andra?
It's 4.
It's four, yeah. Easy,
Please,
it's only four.
and I
Yeah?
have the difficult, very, very difficult, super duper difficult, the most impossible one.
Yeah,
Please.
or is it? Okay,
Wait a
let's
second.
count it together.
Wait a second.
This is so
Let me put
funny.
this back to fridge.
Hmm?
And can you count everything in there?
No, please. This is so difficult because there are so
And there.
You said it is impossible. You said it's
yeah.
impossible.
Can you count
Yeah.
it, Andra?
Something in your
I
fridge
can count it.
instead.
This is 1. This is 2, 3. This is 4. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is